Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Resident Evil 4 DLC. To begin your journey as Ada Wong, simply launch the game and select the Separate Ways campaign from the main menu. You do not need to complete Leon's story first. It is immediately available for you to dive into. This allows you to experience Ada's perspective and parallel storyline right away, offering a fresh take on familiar events and new challenges to overcome. Ada Wong brings a distinct playstyle to the Resident Evil 4 universe. Her signature grappling gun is not just for movement. It allows for quick escapes and even special melee attacks against enemies. You can also use it to reach hidden areas and treasures. Additionally, Ada's crossbow is a versatile weapon, perfect for silent eliminations or stunning foes with different bolt types, encouraging a more strategic approach to combat encounters. Effective resource management is key to surviving Ada's perilous mission. Make sure to visit the enigmatic merchant often to enhance your weapons, increasing their power and capacity. Always keep an eye out for healing items and ammunition, as supplies can be scarce. Exploring every nook and cranny will reward you with valuable treasures, which can be sold for pesetas, providing the necessary funds for all your upgrades and purchases. To successfully navigate the challenges of Separate Ways, mastering combat is essential. Practice parrying enemy attacks with your knife. A well-timed parry can stun even the toughest foes, leaving them vulnerable to a devastating follow-up. Aim for headshots to maximize damage or shoot enemies in the legs to stagger them, allowing you to conserve ammunition and control the battlefield. Adapt your tactics to each enemy type for optimal efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.